In problem 3 part D, we've got at time 0 an investment of $20,000, and we're asked if interest is 6% per annum compounding monthly, how much would we save up after 6 years? And the interest rate is 6% per annum, but it's compounding monthly, so we divide that by 12, which is 0.5% per month. So in this question, we've been asked to calculate an accumulated value. It's compound interest, so it'll be S equals P outside of 1 plus I to the n. S is unknown. P is 20,000. I we calculated as 0.005. And N is 6 years, but if the interest rate is compounding monthly, then the number of time periods also needs to be monthly. So we need to multiply that by 12, and that gives us 72 months. So I'll say that again. If I is monthly, then N needs to also be monthly as well. So S equals 20,000, 1 plus 0.005 to the 72, and that equals 2864089.